Hey guys, this is Keith Rainville with the CBDsstore.com. This is a chart, and I've done a video like this before, but I want to kind of do a little bit of dosing here, and because I always get from people, how much CBD should I take to solve a particular issue? So I'm going to get into that today. But first of all, let me give you 30 seconds of spiel here, if you will. If you see my cursor on the top, you'll see that I'm at the top of the page. There's 4,000 cannabis plants in the world, and these are the chemical compounds that are found in those 4,000 cannabis plants, okay? So THC right here is the most prominent. It's found in marijuana. CBD is also found in marijuana, but it's more prominent in the female hemp flower, okay? So now, if you look at THC in the column, these are the health benefits as represented on the left-hand side here. Pain relief, reduces inflammation, and that's what people really get a benefit, anxiety, things like that. They really get those health benefits from the cannabis plants. Now, if you look at THC, again, is more prominent in marijuana, and it really doesn't do much. It is the chemical compound that is found in the cannabis plants that makes people high. So our customers at the CBD store do not want to really get high. They want the benefits of CBD without the high. So if you look at the column of CBD, it does so much more for people. And this is why a lot of the people with medical marijuana cards come and see us afterwards, because they have to function, and they don't want that euphoric feeling that the THC gives you. So that is the chart. This is what CBD does for people. Now, I want to get into dosing, and I want to get into dosing on humans here in this video. So if you're let's start off with children, okay? So many children take this in replace of Ritalin in their ADHD medicine, like Zoloft and things like that. Now, I have a tremendous amount of benefits. A tremendous amount of testimonials inside the CBDstore.com group on Facebook. If you want to go in there, take a look at those testimonials and join the group. I'll leave the link below the video. But so a lot of folks give CBD to their children to replace those medicines. So here's the thing. In a child, 100 pounds or less, a dosage for a child is about 20 to 25 milligrams. And for sometimes petite, adults as well. So about 20 to 25 milligrams. Now, that's for anxiety, ADHD, things like that. So when you get into pain, you need a little bit more of a dosage. Again, a starting point also for pain is about 20 milligrams. But a person about 100 to 150 pounds will probably end up about taking 30 milligrams of CBD for pain. Now, anything above 150 pounds to about 250 pounds is going to be 30 milligrams to maybe 40 or so milligrams, and sometimes a little bit more. Every time, everybody's pain threshold is different. So from 150 to 250 pounds, it's going to be in the 30 to 40 milligram range of CBD. Okay. So now anybody above that, like myself, I'm a big guy. I take, and I'm 300 pounds. I take 50 milligrams of CBD, and that works for me. But I got some people who are getting off of opioids who take a little bit more than that. So, in the 60 to 70 range. So, again, those are the thresholds. 100 pounds, 20 to 25 milligrams, a child or small adult. 150 pounds, you're looking at 30 to 40 milligrams, and 250 pounds plus, you're looking at 40 milligrams or above. Okay, again, depending on the pain threshold. So that's the recommended dosages. Again, everybody is different, but it gives you an idea. Now, when I say this, I also say this based on that you're taking CBD oil directly underneath the tongue, and that your CBD oil has just 3 ingredients in it. CBD, a carrier, and either a vitamin or a flavor. There's a lot of CBD oils out there, folks, that have a lot of fillers in them. Okay, so here's the thing. CBD oil works for many people. I always recommend that someone get into it. They try a small bottle of CBD. You can go to our store. We have live chat on our store where we can actually recommend products to you based on the disorder that you might have. And these products are all recommended based on the testimonials that we have in the group on Facebook. Again, you're more than welcome to join the group. It's free. There's free contests on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we give away money to the store. So the group is cbdsstore.com on Facebook. And again, just remember that CBD is plural when you type in that in. I'll leave the link below the video. So guys, I hope you got something out of this video. I hope I answered your questions on dosages. If I haven't, just very simply go to the cbdstore.com, pick up the live chat, and hit us up on the live chat. Now, those dosages I just mentioned, again, for our taking things internally when you're taking CBD, oil, okay, internally, sublingual, underneath the tongue, okay? So, guys, thanks for watching. Look for my next video on pet dosages, and then I'm going to do a dosage video based on edibles, okay? Hey, guys, thanks for joining. I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.